Hello there. Hello, R2. I don't seem to remember owning a droid. Well, that line came back to haunt them. Yeah, it sure did. All right, so this is the CamPark ACT74 action camera. And what you want to do, what we're going to show you today is how to change the time and date on it, since we just had daylight savings and got all messed up. So power button is on the front of the camera, that universal power symbol. Press that and you'll see the camera will switch on. You'll have a little splash screen. It says CamPark, and then you'll be in shooting mode. But we don't want to be in shooting mode. There are 4 modes. Each one is selected by pressing this power button while it's on. Pressing it once, not holding it in. So press. Now you're in streaming mode. Press again. You're in playback mode. Press again. And you are in the menu mode. Okay. So once you're in menu mode, you have to select this OK button at the top in order to get this menu to activate. And once you do that, in order to go across, you press the power button again. So go into camera mode, and then this menu, and now I'm in settings, okay, because the gear represents like settings. So in order to page down from language to date and time, I use these 2 buttons on the side. Up arrow, down arrow, hit down, and then in order to select that menu item, I press the button on top. So now we're in date and time. So I can use the arrows to change the year. Once I like the year, I press OK. The month is correct. Yes, it's 3/17. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. May the 7 blessings be upon you and all that. All right, so it's 3 p.m. It's about 3:04 p.m. So what we're going to do is, that says military time there. That's 15. That represents 3 p.m. in military time, right? So we press OK. And now I can adjust the minutes to I'll make it 04 now. And then OK, and then OK. And now you're done. And in order to get out of this menu, you press the power button one more time until you go to the X, and it says press OK to exit. That says OK. Press that to exit, and now you're back in shooting mode. And that's how you do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it helped you, like it, please, and subscribe. That's always nice, too. Thanks. R2 says thanks, too. So have a great day. See if you can have some fun out there. Help somebody, and see if you don't get, and try not to get caught doing it. It's a lot of fun. It's good exercise. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.